I don't think we'll ever use another product other than HA5. My name is Anne-Marie Fitness. I work at Whisper Rock Estates, and I'm their community manager. We found HA5 by listening to their sales representative, who gave us many reasons to select that particular treatment. And then our board of directors and staff members traveled around to places where they had already used HA5, where they had used HA5 on one road and not another. It had been several years since the application had been done, and it was just an easy choice to understand that that HA5 was going to work longer than the, what I called bad mascara asphalt that we had previously. Literally, when it rained, it washed off. So we went with HA5. If you amateurize how long that it's going to last, it's a better way to do it, because HA5 is going to remain in your community for many years without needing to be redone. There may need to be crack seals and things of that nature, but it's very, very minor. So economically, it was the best choice for this community. It was easy to deal with them because we could communicate with their staff as well as the owners. They provided services to get people in to and from their homes if they decided that they needed to go out on that particular day. So it was an easy process because they made it an easy process, because they were so willing to work with us to make sure our community was not disrupted any more than it needed to be. It was amazing that the care and the planning that went into it from the staff at HA5 and at Holbrook, and also from the staff at Whisper Rock. We worked very well together to make sure that it was a smooth transition and everybody was happy with the end result. Our residents are very happy with the roads. We don't have any complaints about our roads. People feel that they look like they're brand new. And even when people come through to look at lots and purchase homes, they're amazed by how the roads are still performing after being done on 2015 to today.